the only teacher that didn't get the memo. You know, the memo that says that math is the only class we have all day? That man is putting a serious crimp on my social schedule. I think he's trying to beat the record for the most consecutive days for major exams. Say, if you want, why don't you come over to my house tonight? We can go over together. The fridge is stocked, so it'll be a lot of fun. So, what are you wearing to the dance this Friday? You're not going? What do you mean you're not going? Everybody's going. Oh, come on. You're beautiful. You know guys always wait until the last minute. Oh, I think you look great with glasses. They give you character, and they make you look sophisticated. Have you ever tried contacts? You can even get them in colors. Sweetie, I'm telling you, there's nothing to worry about. You're just new and nobody knows you yet. I bet a bunch of guys would love to take you to the dance. If I was a guy, I'd take you out. Anyways, we still have a few days, so just don't worry about it. Will you quit putting yourself down? Listen, a few highlights and they'll be slobbering all over you. Really though, you're cute, so don't worry about it. Take my word for it. Having a bunch of guys hanging around you all day acting immature is highly overrated. A girl's gotta be selective, so just be patient. So, Brad's taking me. Yeah, we're both thinking about wearing blue and wearing our Converse All-Stars. It ought to be fun. He's so cute and I love it when he gives them to me. Oh, David? He's past history. The football team thought it'd be so macho if they all shaved their heads on both sides and got mohawks for team spirit, as if anything would help them with their losing streak, so I broke up with him. I mean, it's not bad enough that he gave in to peer pressure, or the fact that it looks absolutely stupid, but he didn't even bother telling me first. So I told him, hopefully you win a game, because I don't want you hanging around me anymore. I could see it if our team was #1 and they just wanted to have a trademark or start a fashion trend, but police, give me a break. And he had such nice hair too. Anyway, my mom's gonna take us, so why don't we meet you at your house? We can all go together. Wouldn't that be fun?